Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification ringtone in our phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of our phone. Go to settings. Then go to sounds and vibration. And here select notification ringtone. And here select any tone. Either you can choose custom ringtone. If you click on custom ringtone, any MP3 file, that is music file, can be selected, but you should have music file in your local gallery. As of now I don't have anything, so it shows nothing. Okay, here these are all these system available tone. Just select any one. I selected now bubble, and this bubble is set as notification ringtone as of now. So in this way you can easily change notification ringtone either from system available tone, or you can assign your own tone, that is MP3 file from your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.